Do you replace the ugly emerald green carpet in your living room, or do you let the buyer fix it when they move in? That is the question. Hi, my name is Brian Mayer with the Mayer Group of RE/MAX One. Today I would like to talk to you about some strategies for selling your house and why I think you should absolutely replace the carpet. It really starts with understanding how it is that buyers make decisions on buying houses, and then working off the premise that your goal is to sell your house for the most money. So with that being said, most sellers believe they're gonna let the buyer make the decision on the carpet, and then the buyer can pick a carpet they like, and they'll just reduce the house $1,500 or $2,000, whatever the cost of the carpet is, and it'll all work out, and then the buyer will be happy, the seller will be happy because the seller doesn't have to do the repairs. That's not how it works. Let's start with a couple premises. Most buyers buy houses with little or no money, and they don't have any money moving forward to replace any carpet. If they did have some money, they don't want to do it. When they buy the house, they want to invite all their friends and family over, and they want to show it to them. They want to show them the pictures, and if they walk in and they see anything that makes them cringe, they're not going to want to pay the most money. Third reason is buyers perceive upgrades and repairs to cost 2 to 7 times more than they actually cost. So let's go all the way back to the beginning, and again, keep in mind the premise and the goal is always to sell your house for the most money. The answer is, if you have the money, you should absolutely 10 times out of 10 replace the carpet in the living room. My name is Brian Mayer with the Mayer Group. If you would like to talk about some strategies on how to sell your house for the most money, I'd love to talk to you. Hope you have a fantastic day.